Assalam-o-Alaikum everyone. Today we are going to discuss a very important basic concept of physics. That is what? What do you think? What is that? Of course, this is mass. You may hear word mass many times, but what exactly does it mean? What is its SI unit? How is it different from weight? How do we measure it? Let's understand it step by step. First, what is mass?
Mass is the quantity of matter contained in a body.
We say that mass tells how much matter an object contains. For example, if we have small stone and a large stone,
So yes, the large stone generally contain more matter than the small stone. So its mass is greater than the small stone.
symbol. The symbol for mass is m. The unit of mass is kilogram written as kg. Mass is a scalar quantity.